In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make compelling food design flyers. Alright, let's get on with it. And first of all, remove this new text. This is the interface you're going to see first whenever you open your Pixellab. You delete this and then you change the background to transparent. Most times I love to use transparent if I'm using a different background entirely. Okay, now I import the background I want to use for this design because I've already prepared them and kept in a folder. And here is the background, and then I'm using square. Okay, and then I drag to make it fill up the screen. Alright, here you go. Then you import the burger. Here is my burger. Okay, and that is it. And then this burger can decide to add a shadow to it. Enable the shadow and increase the blur radius to 25. You can still drag and drop here. 25 is the maximum you can go. Okay, and then you add the king, the first word you have there. To add a text, click on this plus sign and click on text, drag it to this point, double click on it and type kings. You're there, increase it a little. Now if you drag it, now since you want to place these kings in the middle, okay, it's a simple thing. You click on the A sign and click on relative position, click on this. It's in the middle currently. All right, and that's it. Then you change the font. You can see the font we have on the one we've already made. You change the font to excuse me, fonts learn brown. I think that's what I used. Okay, this is it. For you might not find it in recent, so you just go through the usual font place to look for it because you've not used it before. Okay, and that is it. Then you go ahead to add another text, which is the burger. Same process, type. Okay, then you choose the fonts for it. The right font I used is I think Amaranth Bold. Yep, yeah, that's it. Amaranth Bold. Okay, there you go. Click on your relative position and place it in the middle. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to send this burger behind the burger image. Send the burger text behind the burger image, and to do that you click on this sign here and you drag this burger behind or below. You can see this, just drag it below the burger image here and it goes behind it. Okay, you've achieved that. That's it. And the next thing you need to do, you can even leave this way. It's another way of creating a different kind of graphics. The next thing you need to do is to duplicate this burger. And to duplicate, you won't even find a duplicate button on Pixellab, but rather you find copy. When you copy, it turns into 2. Okay, and The next you need to do is to remove the background, remove the color of this burger, turn it to transparent. All right, and then you add a stroke to it, change the stroke to white. You can increase or reduce the stroke width. Let's leave it at 4, and you move it okay, and you're there. Perfect. So you have King's Burger, and the next thing you need to do is to add your price. And to do that, there are some touches you can do on that. All right, the next thing you need to do is to add a price tag. To do that, go to shapes, add a circle shape, and that is it. Then you can go to add a shadow to the shape. All right, increase the blur radius to 25, and you reduce the size of this. Okay, that's it. And then you can reduce the opacity. You can reduce the opacity here, right? You go back to shadow color, so you can have a red color. All right, change the shadow color to red, and you have this. Then the next you need to do is to add another shape, the same circle, reduce the size. Now what you're trying to achieve is to give another line inside of the circle. Okay, now you remove the fill color, right? Okay, drop the opacity to 0, and then add a stroke. Okay, there you go. And then change the color of the stroke to white, and you're done. You move it down here. Sometimes you might not see clearly, or maybe you can't pinpoint what you want to work on, so you can click on your zoom button and then adjust. That's it. Click on your zoom button again and go back. Okay, you have something. Now you add a text to it, which is the price, right? Good. Let me see it now, and you copy it. 5,000, right? Excellent. You can reduce the size, and you can also move objects or text, whatever. You can move it through position and reduce the pixel of the movement, so you can adjust to whatever you want. Okay, move now the same way. Okay, you can reduce the size as well. All right, you have that. And the last thing, second to the last thing you need to do is to draw a shape. Now, how do you draw a shape? Okay, make sure you're not clicked on anything. So delete this. Okay. Yeah, draw. So try to draw something like this. Okay, that didn't go well. You can reduce the pen size here to 4, and you draw. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, say you draw something like this. You can zoom so you have a clearer picture of what you want to draw. If it didn't go well, you can draw again. Good, let's work with this. Change the color to, okay, you can change the color of your drawing to white. Yep, use your zoom view. Okay, and this, you have this, and then you can duplicate this so you can have your next test, which is order now. Okay, and duplicate again to have your now. Just watch what I'm doing and follow it accordingly, and you will have the best results. Okay, and that's it. And add another text that will carry the phone number. That's it, and you're good. So after when you're done with this, next you need to do is to save it as a project first of all, and then Burger. I already have King's Burger saved, and save it as Burger, and the next save it as an image. Here you can select the quality of the image. Prefer to keep mine at very high. Save to gallery. Image saved, and you're good.